First clean? Check. Now let's explore all the ways you can put Matic to work. The basics. You can clean your whole home, pick specific rooms, or draw a zone around the area that needs attention. Schedules let Matic work on autopilot. Set a recurring clean, say every weekday at 9 a.m., and Matic handles it. You can schedule vacuuming, mopping, or both, and pick which rooms to include. Spill something? We've all been there. Use stain cleaning? Tap the spot on your map and Matic heads straight there. No need to clean the whole room, just the mess. Check your cleaning history to see what Matic's done. Loved a specific clean? Then tap repeat it. Same rooms, same settings, one tap. It's like a reorder button, but for clean floors. And you've got 3 vacuum modes: standard for everyday cleaning, detailed for a deeper, slower clean with extra passes, and quick for a fast once over when you're short on time. Guests in 20 minutes? Quick mode. No one has to know. Schedules, spot cleans, full runs, 3 vacuum modes. You've got options. Now, let's go see what Matic actually does when it's out there cleaning.